Israeli defense officials have confirmed that an Israeli raid on a Gaza cemetery killed 5 Palestinian children during its assault in early August, according to a new report, contradicting previous statements senior military officials made to local media. In the aftermath of that attack, which came during a 3-day Israeli assault on the besieged enclave from August 6 to August 8, several senior Israeli officers told reporters the deaths were likely caused by an off-course Islamic Jihad rocket. The military did not publicly assign blame for the deaths and did not respond to foreign reporters' request for comment on the latest report. Hours after the report was published, the Najim family held a vigil at the cemetery in Gaza and called for Israel to face charges at the International Criminal Court. 4 children from the family were killed in the raid,